Have you ever experienced your laptop running extremely slow? I have. I've had my MacBook Pro for several years, and over a period of time, I started noticing an issue with my processing speed when I open browsers, when I open documents. Then immediately I started deleting files and transferring files, thinking that was going to solve my issue, but nothing seemed to work. Then it dawned on me, Gil, maybe you need to update your MacBook Pro. So I did. If you want to check out my new MacBook Pro, stick around. I have a video for you. Welcome to Tech Unboxing Videos. I'm Gil Davis, and if this is your first time joining us, we are a channel that unveils and unboxes all things tech and sometimes beyond. If you're a returning viewer, we say thank you and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a 13-inch Apple MacBook Pro. With that said, let's dive right in and start the unboxing process. Yay! Let's start the unboxing! And if you can't tell, I am super excited about this. Let's go in. Dun 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 dun. Ah, look at that! Oh yeah! Take a look at that. Here it goes. Wow, look at that. I am so excited. Look at that there. Let's take the laptop out and let's just set it right here. And let's open everything else up. All right, so this is your USB-C cord. And inside here may be some paperwork. They give you some quick start guide instructions. And some more paperwork. And here are the awesome stickers. Apple stickers. And place this here. And this is our power adapter. Let's take a look at the power adapter. Let's see. If you can see there, it's 61 watts USB-C power adapter. Let's see what else is in here. There's nothing else. So now let's move on to the laptop. All right, look at that. Oh, let me smell it. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. So that's this side, and this is the plastic. Let's go ahead and take that off. And that's the front of it. And this is space gray. Wow, look at that. And I'll take that off. Wow, that's amazing. And it's automatically powering on. This is cool. All right, so this is the new touch bar right here. And then right here is the new Touch ID for your fingerprints. So I haven't set it up yet, but I just definitely wanted to just unbox it so that you can get a look at the unboxing that I did. And so let's talk about some of the features that are on this laptop. So right here, this is your Touch ID for your fingerprint. So the new feature, one of the new features that Apple installed this year is the feature for you to actually use your fingerprints as a way to grant yourself access inside of your MacBook Pro. Right here is your touch bar that I talked about earlier, and the color is space gray. And then we already talked about this being your power adapter. We talked about this being your USB-C. And then let's look on the side and see where the actual, and so this is your microphone jack right here. And right here, your USB-C port. So you have two of those. And let's look at the bottom. And that's about it. So I just wanted to share it with you. Thank you. Remember, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and smack that bell notification. Until next time, see y'all!